Okay, so let's make an orgasm cocktail on your back. So for that you're going to want a lowball glass. We've got one here with some ice chilling. Now you're going to want your shaker, because this is a shaken cocktail, and now we're going to want to add our ingredients. And for this is an equal parts cocktail, so you're going to want 30 ml of everything. So 30 of your Kahlua coffee liqueur, 30 of your Bailey's Irish cream whiskey, and finally 30 of your Disaronno, your amaretto. And then finally, to finish it off, you just want a 30 ml of single cream. Well, I've got double cream. Have whatever you like, depends how creamy you want your cocktail. So that's all the ingredients added. Now we're going to add some ice and shake. And now we're going to shake. And that is shaken. Now we're just going to clear that, get a little bit of fresh ice. And finally, single strain into your glass. And finally, garnish with a couple of cherries. And there we have it, an orgasm on your back.